If your knees feel stiff when you stand up, your fingers ache after simple tasks, or your joints seem older than the rest of you, food may be one of the most overlooked tools in your daily routine. No single meal can rebuild a damaged joint overnight, but certain foods can help calm inflammatory signals, support cartilage and bone, and give your body important nutrients it needs to keep moving comfortably for years. The real goal is not to chase one so-called miracle ingredient. Joint health depends on an entire system: inflammation, body weight, muscle support, bone strength, circulation, and the quality of the tissues surrounding each joint. That means the best foods work in different ways. Some provide omega-3 fats, some deliver powerful antioxidants, while others supply minerals, protein, and vitamins your joints rely on every day. In this video, you'll discover 12 foods that can fit naturally into an inflammation-conscious eating pattern while supporting stronger bones, healthier connective tissue, and better long-term mobility. Some may already be sitting in your kitchen, while others are simple upgrades to meals you already enjoy. And stay until the end, because several of the easiest foods on this list may also be among the simplest to eat consistently. Omega-3 joint protection. Salmon is one of the strongest foods to put on your plate when you want healthy fats that support a calmer inflammatory environment. It is rich in EPA and DHA, two marine omega-3 fatty acids involved in regulating inflammatory compounds throughout the body. These fats do not act like pain medication, but regular intake may help support joint comfort as part of an overall healthy eating pattern. Salmon also provides high-quality protein, and that matters because muscles help stabilize your knees, hips, shoulders, and spine. Stronger surrounding muscles can help reduce unnecessary strain during everyday movement. Salmon also provides vitamin D in varying amounts, a nutrient important for normal bone and muscle function, making this fish especially useful when you want one food supporting several parts of your movement system. Try grilled, baked, or air-fried salmon with vegetables and extra virgin olive oil instead of heavily battered or sugary versions. 2 fish meals per week can be a practical goal for many adults, and you can rotate salmon with sardines, trout, or mackerel. The biggest advantage comes from consistency. Replacing more processed proteins with omega-3 rich fish can improve your overall diet without making healthy eating complicated. Inflammation-friendly healthy fat. Extra virgin olive oil is more than a cooking ingredient. It is one of the signature foods of the Mediterranean eating pattern. It contains mostly monounsaturated fat together with protective plant compounds called polyphenols. One compound, oleocanthal, has attracted particular interest because of its relationship with inflammatory pathways inside the body. For your joints, one important advantage is also what olive oil can replace. Swapping large amounts of butter, shortening, or highly processed sauces for extra virgin olive oil can improve the balance of fats in your meals while adding beneficial plant compounds. Olive oil also helps your body absorb certain fat-soluble nutrients from vegetables, making a colorful salad with olive oil even more nutritionally valuable. Use olive oil as a salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or add it to beans and whole grains after cooking. You do not need to pour it over everything because calories still matter, especially when excess body weight increases stress on weight-bearing joints. Think of olive oil as a strategic replacement rather than an unlimited health food. A moderate amount can upgrade both flavor and fat quality. Antioxidant defense for your joints. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with colorful plant compounds called polyphenols, including anthocyanins. These compounds help the body manage oxidative stress, which can contribute to tissue damage when it becomes excessive. Berries also provide vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the structural protein found in cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. That combination makes berries especially useful because they deliver protective compounds without a heavy calorie load, while their fiber supports gut and metabolic health. A healthier metabolic environment matters because chronically elevated blood sugar and excess body fat can contribute to inflammatory stress. Berries will not directly rebuild cartilage, but they can support the conditions your tissues need for healthier long-term function. Add a handful of berries to plain Greek yogurt, oatmeal, chia pudding, or a smoothie without added sugar. Frozen berries are also an excellent option when fresh ones are expensive or out of season, and they make portioning incredibly easy. Rotate different colors instead of relying on only one variety, because each type contains a slightly different mix of protective plant compounds. The best berry is ultimately the one you will eat regularly. Bone and connective tissue support. Spinach, kale, arugula, collard greens, and other leafy vegetables deliver an impressive mix of vitamin K, folate, magnesium, carotenoids, and vitamin C. These nutrients contribute to normal bone metabolism, antioxidant defenses, and connective tissue maintenance. Leafy greens are also extremely low in calories, making them an easy way to increase meal volume while improving nutritional quality. Vitamin K is particularly important for proteins involved in normal bone formation, while magnesium contributes to normal muscle and nerve function. That matters because joint health is not only about cartilage, it depends on bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and coordination working together. Dark leafy vegetables also contain protective plant antioxidants that may help the body better manage oxidative stress over time. A simple goal is to include a generous handful of leafy greens most days. Use spinach in omelets, add kale to soups, mix arugula into salads, or sauté collard greens with garlic and olive oil. If you use warfarin or another medication affected by vitamin K, avoid suddenly making dramatic changes to your intake without medical guidance. In that situation, consistency with vitamin K intake is especially important. Cartilage-friendly nutrition. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower provide vitamin C, fiber, folate, and sulfur-containing plant compounds. Broccoli is particularly known for sulforaphane, a compound researchers have studied for its effects on cellular stress and inflammatory pathways. That does not make broccoli a treatment, but it gives this vegetable an impressive nutritional profile. Vitamin C deserves special attention because your body cannot produce normal collagen without it. Collagen forms part of the structural framework of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and bone. Meanwhile, broccoli's fiber can support beneficial gut bacteria and healthier weight management. That indirect benefit can matter enormously to your knees and hips because carrying extra body weight increases the mechanical load those joints experience with every step. Steam broccoli lightly, roast it until slightly crisp, or chop it into stir-fries and soups. Cooking vegetables until they become extremely soft may reduce some heat-sensitive nutrients, so aim for tender rather than overcooked. Pair broccoli with protein and healthy fat for a balanced meal. And if broccoli is not your favorite, rotate cauliflower, cabbage, or Brussels sprouts. The larger goal is eating this vegetable family regularly. Plant-based omega-3 support. Walnuts stand out among nuts because they provide alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Your body converts only a limited amount of ALA into EPA and DHA, so walnuts do not completely replace fatty fish. Still, they provide beneficial unsaturated fats, fiber, minerals, and polyphenols that can fit beautifully into an inflammation-conscious, heart-healthy diet. Walnuts can also help indirectly by making meals and snacks more satisfying. When a small portion of nuts replaces cookies, chips, or refined snack foods, you get more healthy fat, fiber, and plant nutrients with fewer rapidly digested carbohydrates. Better appetite control can support weight management, and body weight has a very direct mechanical relationship with joints, such as your knees, hips, and ankles. Keep the portion sensible because nuts are calorie-dense. A small handful is usually plenty. Sprinkle chopped walnuts over oatmeal, berries, plain yogurt, or salads, or pair them with a piece of fruit. Choose plain or lightly roasted walnuts, rather than versions coated with sugar. If you buy large bags, consider keeping them refrigerated because their delicate, unsaturated fats can deteriorate when repeatedly exposed to heat and air. Powerful spice support. Turmeric contains curcumin, the bright yellow plant compound responsible for much of its anti-inflammatory reputation. Curcumin has been widely studied for its relationship with inflammatory signaling, and some research suggests concentrated curcumin preparations may help certain people manage osteoarthritis symptoms. Turmeric used in food provides much smaller amounts, but it can still strengthen an overall inflammation-conscious diet. One challenge is that curcumin is not absorbed particularly efficiently on its own. Eating turmeric with a meal containing some healthy fat may help absorption, while black pepper contains piperine, which can substantially affect curcumin availability. However, concentrated curcumin or piperine supplements may interact with medications, which is why using turmeric naturally in meals is very different from taking large supplemental doses. Add turmeric to lentil soup, eggs, roasted vegetables, rice dishes, chicken, or a warm, unsweetened drink with ginger. You do not need tablespoons at a time. The goal is simply to make it part of your regular cooking. If you have gallbladder problems, use blood-thinning medication or are considering concentrated curcumin supplements. Speak with a qualified healthcare professional before assuming that larger doses are automatically better. Natural inflammatory support. Ginger contains bioactive compounds, such as gingerols and shogols, that have been studied for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It has a long history of culinary use, and research suggests ginger may provide modest support for discomfort in certain people, although responses vary. For everyday eating, it also delivers powerful flavor without requiring sugar-heavy sauces or large amounts of salt. Ginger becomes even more useful when you combine it with other foods on this list. Pair it with salmon, vegetables, lentils, turmeric, or olive oil, and you create meals containing several beneficial nutrients at once. This matters because no individual spice can compensate for a diet dominated by refined and ultra-processed foods. Think of ginger as one valuable piece of a larger pattern built around plants, healthy fats, fiber, and quality protein. Fresh ginger can be grated into stir-fries and soups, steeped in hot water with lemon, or blended into smoothies without added sugar. Ground ginger works well in oatmeal and savory spice mixtures too. Start with a small amount if you are not accustomed to its strong flavor. And remember that concentrated ginger supplements can behave differently from culinary amounts, particularly if you take medications that affect blood clotting. Joint-friendly healthy fats. Avocado provides mostly monounsaturated fat, together with fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin E, and protective carotenoids. These nutrients support cardiovascular and antioxidant health, while avocado's fat can help your body absorb carotenoids from vegetables eaten in the same meal. That makes avocado an excellent partner for leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, and other colorful plant foods in a joint-friendly eating pattern. Avocado may also make meals more satisfying because it combines fiber with healthy fat, two components that help slow digestion and improve fullness. That becomes useful when your joint protection strategy includes losing excess body weight, particularly if your knees or hips are under strain. The idea is not simply to eat fewer calories, it is to choose foods that provide more nutrition and help you remain satisfied between meals. Try half an avocado alongside eggs, add slices to a bean salad, or mash it with lime, tomato, herbs, and spices, instead of using heavily processed creamy spreads. Because avocado is energy-dense, portion size still matters when weight loss is your goal. It works best as a replacement for less nutritious fats rather than an unlimited extra. Combined with vegetables and protein, it can make a simple meal far more satisfying. Fiber and plant protein power. Beans, chickpeas, and lentils are inexpensive foods packed with plant protein, magnesium, potassium, folate, iron, and substantial amounts of fiber. They can support muscle maintenance and gut health while helping meals keep you full. A fiber-rich eating pattern also supports metabolic health, which matters because excess body fat does more than add weight. It can also contribute to inflammatory signaling throughout the body. Legumes become especially useful when they replace refined carbohydrates or heavily processed foods. A bowl of lentil soup, a chickpea salad, or black beans with vegetables provides slower digesting carbohydrates and far more fiber than many packaged meals. Greater fullness can make healthy weight management easier, and reducing excess body weight may significantly decrease the mechanical stress placed on weight-bearing joints over time. If beans cause bloating, start with smaller portions and increase them gradually while your digestive system adapts. Rinsing canned beans can lower their sodium content, while lentils are often easier to prepare and cook quickly. Try including legumes several times per week in soups, salads, bowls, curries, or stews. They are one of the simplest ways to make a joint-friendly eating pattern affordable, filling, and easy to maintain. Colorful anti-inflammatory potential. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins and other polyphenols responsible for their deep red color. These compounds have been studied for for their relationship with oxidative stress and inflammation, while tart cherries have attracted particular interest in studies involving exercise recovery and uric acid. They are not a cure for arthritis or gout, but they can be a nutritious fruit choice when consumed without excessive added sugar. For anyone concerned about gout, remember that food is only one part of managing uric acid, and prescribed medication may still be necessary. Still, replacing desserts or sugary drinks with whole cherries can improve the overall nutritional quality of your diet. Whole fruit also contains fiber and water, making it very different from highly concentrated or heavily sweetened cherry drinks that can deliver much more sugar and calories in a small serving. Choose fresh or frozen tart cherries when available, or use a modest amount of unsweetened tart cherry juice if it fits your diet. Always check labels because many cherry products contain large amounts of added sugar. Mix frozen cherries into plain yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for an easy option. If you have gout or kidney disease, use healthy food choices to support your medical plan rather than replacing appropriate treatment. Protein plus bone support. Plain Greek yogurt and kefir provide protein, calcium, phosphorus, and often vitamin D, nutrients that help maintain normal bones and muscles. That is important because strong bones and strong surrounding muscles protect your joints during movement. Many fermented dairy products also contain live cultures that support the gut microbiome, an area increasingly studied for its connection with metabolism, immune function, and inflammatory health. The key word here is plain. Some flavored yogurts contain so much added sugar that an otherwise nutrient-dense food begins looking more like dessert. Choosing unsweetened Greek yogurt provides plenty of protein, while allowing you to control sweetness yourself with berries, cinnamon, or fruit. If dairy agrees with you, this can become an easy breakfast or snack that simultaneously supports fullness, muscle maintenance, and bone nutrition. Look for yogurt or kefir with little or no added sugar, and, when possible, live active cultures. Pair it with berries and walnuts, and you suddenly combine protein, calcium, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats in one simple bowl. If you do not tolerate dairy, choose a fortified unsweetened alternative containing meaningful protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Always check the nutrition label because plant-based alternatives can vary dramatically. The most important message is that protecting your joints is rarely about finding one superfood. It is about repeatedly replacing ultra-processed choices with omega-3 fats, colorful plants, fiber, quality protein, minerals, and healthy fats. Salmon, olive oil, berries, greens, broccoli, walnuts, spices, legumes, cherries, and fermented foods become much more powerful when they are part of the same consistent eating pattern. And remember, food is only one part of protecting your mobility. Maintaining a healthy body weight, strengthening the muscles surrounding your joints, staying regularly active, getting enough sleep, and seeking medical advice for persistent pain or swelling can all make an enormous difference. If a joint suddenly becomes hot, red, severely swollen, or difficult to put weight on, do not depend on dietary changes alone. Get it properly evaluated. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 12 foods do you already eat every week, and which one are you going to add first? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and turn on notifications for more simple videos about food, inflammation, metabolism, and healthy aging. And share this video with someone who wants to keep their joints strong and moving comfortably for years to come.